To make this model, I start with fabric strips measuring 6.5 centimeter in width and at least 90 centimeter in length. For faster cutting, I align the strips evenly and stack them carefully, then cut them to the required dimensions. No need to worry about uneven block rows. After stitching, each row will align exactly where it belongs. As you can see, all the rows are now neatly aligned. The final size of each block should be 30 centimeter. To cut accurately, align the 15 centimeter mark on your ruler with the vertical and horizontal center lines of the block. Then cut away the extra fabric so the block measures exactly 30 by 30. Using the same method, I've completed 4 blocks. Feel free to rotate and position the blocks as you like to achieve your preferred layout. Just make sure the central diamond shape is formed correctly. To be honest, I made a miscalculation while cutting, trying to reach my desired dimensions, and the cuts didn't turn out right. But now I've decided to turn those mistakes into a beautiful border around the piece. I cut them into 6.5 by 6.5 centimeter squares. I've selected this design for the border. The right and left sides are already sewn, and now it's time to attach the top and bottom borders.